puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Out of the box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is a makeover of my family room. I did go ahead and show you all my foyer earlier where I had changed it to the black and white decor to match my outdoor living area. So here's another look at that foyer. And then I'm gonna take you on into the family room and show you the family room. So I take you into the family room, and as I said, this decor is to match the outdoor living area. So I went back and changed it also to the black and white decor. To match, again, as I said, the outdoor living area. I'll let you all take a look at it, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. So now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I've went in and added the black and white shears. I've added a black throw here from Home Goods. The beautiful black pillows here were from Hobby Lobby. They were a half price. Also the little welcome pillow. The black and white pillows here were by Ellen DeGeneres, and they were from Ollie's. They are beautiful pillows, and I picked them up at Ollie's. As I said, the welcome pillow was from Hobby Lobby. The pillow in the chair over there was a pillow that went with a bedding set, and I just brought it here. And the other pillow over here is a pillow cover from Amazon. The throw was from Kirkland's. The little stool here was from Lowe's. The fireplace, my picture here was a Goodwill find. I did not change it. The two vases were from Hobby Lobby. I did show those. I used them on a table arrangement, and I have brought them inside. And the big black chain here was from Ross's. The beautiful rug here, which I'm truly in love with, was also from Ross's. And it gave me a design that I was looking for because I wanted more of the pattern to be on the floor instead of on my windows. Okay, so let's talk about my tables. I haven't changed them very much. On the bottom table, I do have the Louis Vuitton book with just some greenery and the beads. I have a bowl, black bowl here that was from Ross's, and the knot was also from Ross's. Over here, the circle I just picked up, it was from Ross's, and I have the little black book over there, and of course, my box here that holds the remotes. Under the bottom of it, I have another book in a gold with the vine across it. Very simple. On the end table, I just have a dough bowl filled with the moss balls. A book here under the lamp. On this side over here, I just have the candlelight and of course my lamp. So this is my family room makeover. I will be coming back. Let me take you to the sofa table. I forgot to show you the sofa table. So let's go take a look at the sofa table. On the sofa table here, I've kept the white vases, which were from Home Goods, I'm thinking. I've added my little black tray with black beads. I had this lantern from a previous DIY. I just set it down in this black tray. I've added a candle and one of my little touch lights. I do have the black wicker vase here. Under the bottom, I have the thinking man and a couple of vases. Okay, so this is my family room makeover. I hope I've given you some ideas when making over your family room for the summer in between, because it may stay a while. As I said, I wanted it to match my outdoor living area. I had already done the foyer here, but I had not gotten back to doing the family room. So I am glad to get it done so it'll all coincide together. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.